Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this mint condition, like new, 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser two-wheel drive. This is one highly sought after and very rare vehicle, and we're proud to present it to you because this one is in absolutely pristine condition and very desirable options, very desirable vehicle, very unique vehicle. Made them for about 7 years and have now been since discontinued, and amassed quite a cult following. I mean, if you're watching this video and you're definitely interested in this vehicle, you obviously know what it is and know what it's about, but we'll go over the condition and everything inside and out on this beautiful 2008 Toyota FJ Cruiser. So coming around to the driver's side here, to start we have body color matching panels here, really nice touch there. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Some light wear here on the door handle for the driver's side. Power mirrors and interior illumination are located on the dashboard. Comes with a multi-function steering wheel to include volume and stereo controls, as well as cruise control down there on a beautiful leather-wrapped steering wheel. Touch points are very nice throughout the whole vehicle. I mean, we'll go throughout the touch points, but definitely very nice starting with the steering wheel. Get some pocket storage there in the upper dashboard. We got a tilt steering wheel column. Standard headlights, no automatic headlights or anything like that. But all the VIN stickers and VIN numbers are present, so they have them across all the window glass. And then this one is protected from Sun Toyota, local dealer here, for the sun protection plan on the paint. So the paint is very nice and vibrant. Hood comes up with some hood struts here, so no prop rod. Powered by the 4.0 VVTI V6. All the fluids are really nice and bright. A nice Toyota pink long life fluid. No oil leaks on any of the valve covers. Brand new battery, brand new alternator. And then beautiful clear brake fluid, nice brake actuator, clean. The headlights are nice and clean. No issues for really the front bumper, aside from like a little scratch here. And then we have some various rock chips just throughout the paint. Just right there on the hood, just right up on the front. Unique vehicle, one of the few vehicles that comes with 3 windshield wipers. They are all Toyota wipers. This one has been dealer serviced its whole life, with the exception of the tires. Those came from a smaller shop, but have been recently replaced, so the tires are brand new. And then have these nice metal running boards and some paint protection film around the door sills and for the scratch guards around the door handles. But again, all the VIN stickers are present. And then the rear doors are suicide doors, and they kind of just hang off to the side there. Super clean interior, smoke and pet free. It's a cloth interior. These seats in the rear, they do fold up. A lot of plastic for the floor, so there's no carpeted floor here. It's all that vinyl plastic, and then WeatherTech floor mats on top to protect it. And then the original owner's manual, as well as a Carfax report, and a remote for the aftermarket stereo. The windshield's been replaced with an aftermarket windshield, but looks clean and nice. No issues with any waviness. Comes with the compass, temperature gauge, and the leveling gauge there for just any tilt or yaw rate off-road, kind of give you your position and your angle. And it comes with auxiliary connectivity, charging port, as well as a subwoofer. You can activate on or off park assist, and upgrading the voltage out of the AC plug, and the rear diff lock and the auto LSD buttons. So all those functions are present. Very nice clean shift knob, no issues there. Again, the touch points are really nice. Touch points across this whole passenger door, really clean, no problems. So really it's just that driver door handle so far on the inside. And then the headliner's really clean. It does come with these pull down visors on each side and just one mirror for the passenger side. It comes with an aftermarket radio, tinted windows. Those are the few modifications that it does have. All the plastics are really nice, vibrant, perfect. We just have Couple scratches here and then one gash here on the plastic. Some little small discoloration here on the spare tire cover, but nothing major. It has that nice roof rack basket, the two-tone white on silver, large refrigerator door style, and then the window also opens halfway as well too. Comes with a spare tools and jack, as well as here's that large AC plug that you can switch up to 400 watts. And then we have that factory subwoofer that's just so cool. I mean, such a super cool, unique vehicle. I mean, for Toyota to make something that is edgy, is as retro, as utility, as off-road as this vehicle is, it's kind of one of many vehicles, wears many hats. So it comes with a towing package on it, and alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, these factory mud guards, and there's no dings, dents, or scratches. It's so clean. So just on that front and rear bumper that I showed you, that was it. VIN sticker present there on that door and on that door. But no smoking, no pets. The smell inside is like just the material that make up this vehicle, so just that plastic material and just a nice clean scent, you know, very nice. Little cup holders on each side of those suicide doors. And coming behind to the driver's side here, we have a nice gauge pod with those white gauges, reminiscent of old Toyotas past, where those white gauges were also always a nice, almost fancier feature, sportier feature. So it fires right up without any warning lights, full tank of gas, perfect charging system, perfect coolant temperature. 141,000 original 2-owner miles, no reported accidents. And then as the Pioneer system loads,
St. Petersburg.